welcome to the December edition of Brainware University's monthly news bulletin. We are here to wrap up an incredible month filled with achievements, milestones and celebrations. But before we begin, let us first ring in the cheer. Here's to a new year sparkling with endless possibilities, growth and opportunities. This December witnessed the campus in a different look as the gates of Brainware University opened to welcome our beloved alumni. The campus buzzed with laughter, hugs and endless stories. From reliving the fun at the canteen to revisiting their favorite classrooms, every corner echoed with cherished memories. Let's hear from the alumni as they looked back into their college journey.
Civil Department, first batch. I joined this institution back in 2010 and passed out in 2014. Currently working as the design head, South Asia, Bureau Veritas. Now entire things and the scenario have changed. We are the craziest bunch of kids that we used to be back in those days. So hoping to get into this kind of events in the near future as well.
I'm from Multimedia Batch 2018. I passed out in the year 2021 and now currently I'm working in Tata Consultancy Services as a project manager. So Brainware gave me a lot, especially a lot of memories. The faculties, the course, everything was mesmerizing, and today whatever I am, this is because of this university.
আমরা 2015 to 19 স্টুডেন্ট ছিলাম। আজকে আমাদের অ্যালুমিনি 2024 যে মিটটা হচ্ছে সেখানে আমাদের সাথে প্রচুর স্টুডেন্টরা আসছে আর আমরা আমাদের পুরনো ক্যাম্পাসে ফিরে খুব ভালো লাগছে।
2023 pass out from the Department of Management. I'm feeling really good as Brainware provided me such a good opportunity to work with Amazon, and today after so much long time I am here. I'm feeling really good and ফিরে দেখা হচ্ছে and মনে হচ্ছে আবার Brainware সাথেই দেখা হবে।
In another significant event, Honorable Chancellor Falguni Mukhopadhyay captivated hearts at the grand inauguration of Barashat Boy Mela, sharing nostalgic tales of his childhood visits to the library in his hometown Uttarpara. His presence truly illuminated the event. Now let us move on to cherish another milestone achieved by our students at the Smart India Hackathon 2024. Our team next-gen experts comprising of BCA and BTech students bagged ₹1 lakh as winners of the Smart India Hackathon that took place at KLE Technological University in Karnataka. Also, in another major development, Brainware University takes a giant leap forward by joining hands with Cumensys Info Solutions in a groundbreaking MOU that promises to redefine academic excellence and industry collaboration. This new year is pumped up for all the bright minds who have bagged lucrative offers from reputed companies. We have two students from the Department of Multimedia who share their campus to corporate journey with us.
আমি আলাপন, আমি ব্রেনওয়্যার ইউনিভার্সিটি থেকে পড়াশোনা করেছি। এখন আপাতত আমি গ্রাফিক ডিজাইনার হিসেবে ক্লাউডসটেকে আছি।
I am Shuvangi Ghosh. I studied in Brainware University and I am from Multimedia Department from Masters in Animation Multimedia. I have been placed in Clarus Tech as a motion graphic designer.
Furthermore, our students have been placed in organizations of repute, including Televerge, Upturn United Consultancy Services, Max Healthcare, Rashmi Group, and others. December at university was a celebration of brilliance and perseverance. Our students showcased exceptional talent and dedication. Each milestone reflects their commitment to excellence and our university's promise of shaping future leaders. Our cyber science student Deepranil Bhattacharjee is not just cracking codes but also breaking records in karate. From mastering the digital world to dominating the dojo, Deepranil has bagged silver and bronze medals at state, national and international karate championships. Another cyber science student, Alice Bishwas, shines at the 4th National Fin Swimming Championship at Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Swimming Pool Complex, New Delhi, with the bronze medal. From physical might, now move on to another accomplishment of cerebral innovation, where our students from the Department of Law presented papers on marine ecosystem at IIT Kharagpur. In other related news, a dynamic team of faculty and students collaborated for a publication in the prestigious SCIE indexed Chemistry and Biotechnology journal by Wiley. In another innovative accomplishment, Brainware University's Biotechnology Department won the first place at the Recycling Art competition held at IBRAD campus, Kolkata, in collaboration with IBRAD. Director Research Dr. Deepshikha Dotto collaborated with MSc Biotechnology student Shubhajit Roy for their outstanding research published in the prestigious Scopus Index journal Indian Chemical Engineer by Taylor and Francis. Our university students also left their mark at the hemodynamics quiz competition organized by M.R. Bangur Super Specialty Hospital, where our critical care technology students bagged the first and second positions. The year-end edition of MSJ Chronicles, the newsletter from the Department of Media Science and Journalism, is out now with participation of BSc first-year students. At Brainware University, learning goes beyond classroom, as students regularly engage in industry visits, gaining invaluable hands-on experience and real-world insights. To gain real-world insights, our electrical engineering students made a visit to West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company. In other related news, our law students visited the Lok Adalat at Barashat District Court for an insightful experience into alternative dispute resolution. The Department of Agriculture at Brainware University marked National Farmers' Day with a heartwarming outreach program honoring Sri Chittaranjan Mondol, a visionary farmer from Gaighata, North 24 Parganas. Now it is the time to get quick glances of the major events that took place in the campus last month. The Department of Agriculture hosted a remarkable day filled with knowledge, culture and inspiration on World Soil Day with Dr. Povitra Kumar Mani, Professor at BCKV Mohanpur. Let us also hear the message Dr. Mani left for our students.
Now, to get a government job is very limited skill. So, entrepreneurship development, agricultural entrepreneur may be good options. But for that matter, it requires some mindset, knowledge of various type of startup groups, connections.
The Department of Hospital Management at Brainware University successfully hosted an enlightening session on wellness redefined through Indian knowledge system and preventive care in collaboration with Narayana Multi-Specialty Hospital. As we wrap up the day, let us take a moment to celebrate the outstanding contributions of our incredible faculty. Their passion and expertise light the way, driving our academic community to greater heights. Dr. Indrajit Ghoshal, Associate Professor from the Department of Management, is taking the academic world by storm. His innovative research has earned a spot in the TQM journal, a prestigious Scopus Q1 indexed ABDC B journal by Emerald. Dr. Ghoshal has also brought us immense pride as one of the editors of the prestigious Scopus indexed book published by CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group, USA. So that's all for now. On behalf of Brainware family, we wish everyone a very happy and prosperous new year. Stay tuned for further updates from the campus of the largest technical private university in West Bengal.